Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to claim today's daily cipher, so don't skip any part of the video. Now for this, first you have to click on the daily cipher, which is at second place. Click on it and change the background into red. Now you can apply the Morse code. On the screen, I am giving the instructions for each letter. Just follow it and you will crack easily today's cipher code. Note that a short tap, a simple tap is for a dot and a hold is for a dash. And also don't forget to take the breaks between the two letters so that you can easily apply today's Morse code. Here you can see I have applied the Morse code and I have also claimed 1 million coins. You can also collect the same reward by following the instructions I have given in the video. Now that's it for today's video. I hope this has helped you. Let me know in the comments and also like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now goodbye and keep mining.